Right now. So we'll start the session. So today we are going to discuss about the electric potential and capacitance. Today we'll discuss about your capacitance, but before discussing about this capacitance and all, let's see. So now the individual questions please respond it. Okay. எல்லா பேருக்கு வந்து வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இருக்குன்னு தான் நான் நம்புறேன். So please respond. Individually I'll ask the questions. Okay. We'll start with Omega. Omega. So what is the relation between electric field and the voltage? Omega? Relation between electric field and voltage. Niveda? What is the answer?
Sir,
Relation between electric field and voltage.
E is equal to V by R.
V by R, super. What is R, ma?
R.
R distance on solla, or else if you are taking a circular format, it is nothing but your radius. Sorry, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Rohini, what is the unit for potential V? Electric potential or potential difference? Unit for potential difference? Rohini. Okay. Response பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க நீங்க. Let's see. Okay, Gayatri. What is the unit for potential difference? How much? What is that, ma?
Volt.
Volt.
Voltage.
Okay, okay, good. And okay, Gayatri, in that, so under potential difference, we have seen equipotential surfaces, right? You remember that one, equipotential surfaces? Under equipotential surfaces, we have seen some 4 or 5 properties. Can you tell me that properties? Properties under equipotential surfaces.
Sir, you didn't start the topic equipotential surface, sir.
I think we have started it, right? No? Okay, leave it.
No.
Leave it. No, okay, leave it. So equipotential surfaces, I'll talk later. Okay, let's see about your so dipole. So under dipole, we have seen 3 applications, right? So for for your potential. Okay, let's see about your potential. Under potential, there are 3 applications. One is your axial, one is your equatorial, and one is your any general point. So what are the relations for axial, equatorial, and any general point for dipole? And
Third for axial AP by square.
Okay.
For equatorial point.
Equatorial?
B equal to 0.
B is equal to 0 because it is equipotential and the distances and the charges are same but in opposite, so it will be 0. Okay, what about the third one? Any general point?
Third one. BP equal to KQ into R1 minus R2 by R into
No,
R.
the final relation. I told you the final relation. So it is nothing but your KP cos theta by R square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, where theta is equal to 0 degrees one irukku, theta is equal to 90 degrees one irukku, right? So remember this relation. So it is a combination of both 0 degrees and as well as your equatorial. Okay, let it be. So first we'll complete your square roots and cube roots, ma. So this is your shortcuts, and please don't use calculators when you're solving these square roots under. Okay, right. So let's see that. So under square roots, there are 2 different terms are there. Ma. Under square root, to solve the square roots, there are 2 different terms. We call it as perfect squares. We call it as perfect squares and non-perfect squares. Perfect squares and non-perfect squares. So let's see the difference between these 2 one by one. Okay, so before that, I just want to get these values. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the value of 1 square? 2 square?
1, 4.
3 square?
9,
4 square,
16,
5 square,
25,
6 square,
36,
7 square,
49,
8 square, 9 square. இதுல என்ன தெரியுதுன்னா மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்ல இன்னும் 9th டேபிளே வர மாட்டேங்குது சில பேருக்கு. ஓகே 11 square, no? Anyone? 11 square. Questions கேக்குறதே வேஸ்ட் இல்ல. Okay, please take it down this one. 13 square 169, 14 square, anyone? 14 square,
196, sir.
196. Okay, ma. 14 square is 196. Good. So 15 square is equal to your 225. 16 square is equal to your 256. 17 square is equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square is equal to, it is 289. 19 square is equal to your 361. 20 square is equal to your 400. 21 square is equal to 441. 22 square is equal to your 484. 23 square is equal to your 529. 24 square is equal to 576. The last one, 25 square is equal to 625. So just for your easy access, அதனால வந்து முன்னாடி நான் எழுதிட்டேன். திரும்ப வந்து நீங்க கால்குலேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay, so I told you there are two different types of square roots are there. One is your perfect square and one is your non-perfect square. Perfect square எப்படி இருக்கும்னா எப்படி end ஆகும்னா perfect square ends with a number, okay, without any decimal points. Okay, for example, if it is 100 na, so it ends with a 10. So there is no decimal point. When there is no decimal point, we call it as perfect squares. Okay, when it ends with any decimal point, like for example root 3, so it ends with your decimal point 1.732. Root 2 1.414. These are your non-perfect squares. These are your non-perfect squares. These are the two different cases. Remember, one by one we'll discuss. So first of all, we'll see your perfect squares. So perfect squares, we'll take some examples, but before going to the examples, we'll see some shortcuts. Like for example, your answer comparisons. Okay, suppose for example, question lo, just remember, try to understand, question lo unit digit irukku. Question lo unit digit irukku. If the question's unit digit is between these numbers like 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Remember, if the question's unit digit is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Anyone, okay, like 1, 4, 6, 5, 6, 9. Okay, ஏதாவது வந்தா we call it as your perfect squares. Okay, so we call it as perfect squares. So இதுல questions இந்த மாதிரி வந்தா answerல, so remember answer digitல, so in answers unit digit, unit, so we'll get like this. We'll get, for if it is 1, we'll get 1 or 9. Okay, remember this. இப்படிதான் நம்ம வந்து shortcuts எல்லாம் solve பண்றது questions. Just please try to understand. So for 4 it is 2 or 8. For 5 it is 5 only. For 6 it is 4 or 6. For 6 it is 4 or 6. For 9 it is 3 or 7. Just try to understand. It is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 on the, we call it as perfect square. Apart from these things, like for example 2, 3, 7, 8, in the மாதிரி numbers எல்லாம் we call it as non-perfect squares. We call it as non-perfect squares. Okay, so we'll discuss these things one by one. So let's see some small example. So first example, 1 or 2 questions நான் வந்து நான் solve பண்றேன், அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து you can try it. So கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் ப்ளீஸ் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுங்க, ரொம்ப ஈஸி தான் இது. ஸோ பிகாஸ் நான் எதுக்கு சொல்றேன் இந்த மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ், பட் ஈவன் தோ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ஸ் வரும்போது நம்ம நீட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல வந்து எல்லாமே பண்றீங்க, லாஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல வந்து ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுங்க, இல்ல கியூப் ரூட்ல ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுங்க, இல்ல சைன் தீட்டா காஸ் தீட்டா வேல்யூஸ்ல ஸ்டக் ஆகுறீங்க. Please try to remember these relations. 5041. Let's example. I'll take 5041. Okay. So the digit is 5041. So what I'll do, so இதுக்கு வந்து for this digit, for this one, so I'll try to take from your right side, towards your right side. நான் வந்து ஒரு செட்டா கிளியர் பண்றேன். So that means 2 numbers as one set. I'll take 2 numbers as one set. Okay, so 5041 lo நான் வந்து ரைட் சைடு வந்து நான் எடுக்கிறேன். ரைட் சைடு வந்து எடுக்கும்போது so first 2 digits are one set and the next 2 digits are other set. If you see that in this question the first digit is 1, unit digit is 1. If you see that the unit digit is 1, so if the unit digit is 1, so if you from the tabular column, if you see that from the tabular column the answers may be either 1 or 9. Remember, the answer may be either 1 or 9. Now, so it is your first one. After that, there is one more set is 50. Now, I'll check it. So, 50 on the either middle line. I'll just check it. So 50 is in between your 49 and 64. Remember, 50 is in between your 49 and 64. Correct? 50 is in between your 49 and 64. So let's see. So in 49 54 vanda, so 7 kaprama da 50 irukku. Just remember 49 kapram da 50 irukku. So I have to take whether it is 71 or 79. Remember the answer on the whether it is 71 or 79. So to check it whether it is 71 or 79, so first I'll compare with the numbers. So suppose if this 50 is close to 49, if this 50 is close to 49, I'll take the first option. Remember, first option another 1. Okay, so if the 50 is you are closer to 64, I'll take the second option. Second option another, it is 9. Okay, first option or second option. In the memories panikonga. If the 50 is you are closer to 49, so it is first option. If the 50 is closer to 64, I have to take second option. In the 64 49 netku kudadu. In the 1 or 9 the nam consider panna. Let's see that. So if you see that 50 is close to 49. 50 is close to 49, so the answer is first option, which is 71. If you want, you can check it in your calculator. Try to multiply 71 times 71, so you'll get 5041 approx. Okay, try to check it. So like this, we can able to solve the square roots. Please understand it. Let's see suppose second one. Second question. So I'll take the question square root of 7921. I'll take the square root of 7921. When I take the square root of 7921, again, what I'll do, I'll take the first decimal point. The first decimal point unit digit is nothing but 1. So whether the unit digit for the answers, whether it is 1 or whether it is 9. So 19 kullada. Okay, let's see. Now I have to take the second set, which is your 79. Now if you see that this 79 is in between 64 and 81. Remember, this 79 is in between 64 and 81. 79 is between 64 and 81. So இது வந்து 8 க்கு அப்புறம் தான் வரதுனால 8 ஸ்கொயர் க்கு அப்புறம் தான் வரதுனால so either the answer will be 81 or it will be 89. Remember it. Whether it will be 81 or 89. Now, so if the 79 is closer to 64, I have to go for the first option. If the 79 is closer to 81, I have to go to the second option. Now, if you see the 79 and 81, it is closer value. So the answer is 89. You can check it. Multiply 89 times 89. Okay, you'll get approx 7921 only. Okay, so like this, you can able to solve the square roots. Without the doubt, please let me know. இப்போ வந்து பேசுங்கப்பா. இதுக்கு மேல நீங்க பேசலனா வந்து கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் தான். So for you only I'm just explaining these things. So we'll do some more problems on is perfect square root இருக்கு, non perfect square root இருக்கு, இன்னும் cube roots இருக்கு. அது வேற இருக்கு. Yes, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, please take it. I'll give some more examples. Calculator எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் solve பண்ணுங்க. Joyce Mary, clear irka? Doubt irka?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll give some more examples. Let's just try it. Okay, third one. I'll take square root of 1296. Try to solve this one, ma. 1296. If you are doing it, it's better. Or else, நீங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா please let me know. I'll explain it. So next question is 6724. Next question is, I'll take one more question. 4624. Next question is square root of 2916. Next question, the last question is square root of, I'll take the bigger value this time, 62001. 62001. So try to find the values now. I need the values. Please do it now. Make it fast. Got the answers? Anyone?
Third one,
Third one?
that is 36.
Third one, 36. Let's see that one. Check பண்ணலாம் third one. So third one on the, so here it is 6, correct? So 6 on the decimal point, whether it is 4 or it is 6. 12 இருக்கு. So 12 is in between 3 and your 4. Okay. So this 12 is closer to 9 or 12 ma. Is it 36 or 34? The 12 on the, is it closer to 9 or is it closer to 16?
16.
Is it closer to 9 or is it closer to 16?
Sorry, 9.
9. So the answer is you are 34, not 36.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Let's just check for the other number. Fourth one.
Fourth one, 82, sir.
82. So fourth one on the either it is 2 or whether it is 8. 67 on Solombo. 67 is 64. Yes, ma'am. 82. Correct. So fourth one is 82. Good.
Okay, sir.
Super, ma'am. Next, fifth one. Try to solve it. It's for you only.
Sir.
So எனக்காக கிடையாது. Yes, ma'am.
So
Fifth one.
fifth one 68.
Fifth one is whether it is 4 or whether it is 6. So first option. So 46 in between 36 and 49. 46. So it is, how much you said?
68, sir.
68. 68. Right, ma? Good. Correct. Okay. So next one. Sixth one. கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணுங்கம்மா, வீட்ல நடக்கிறதெல்லாம் கிளியரா கேக்குது. கிளாஸ் வேற ரெக்கார்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு.
54, sir.
Which one? Sixth one?
54.
54. Super, ma. Correct. 54. Good. Correct. Seventh one. Seventh one வந்து நல்லா பாருங்க. There are 5 decimals are there. 5 digits are there. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? So you either way you have to take the decimal digits up like this as a set. Okay. Set மாதிரி எடுக்கணும். So what I'll do, I told you to come from the right side. So right side and சொல்லும்போது it is one set, and even though I should not leave the third digit, so I have to take fully as a second set. Okay. So we have to consider 620. 620 on the, it is closer to 25 square and 24 square. Okay, so 620 is between 25 square and 24 square. So either the option will be, so 241 or either the option will be 249. Okay, so 240.
249, sir.
Yes, ma, super good. So it is your 249. Good. So like this you can able to solve the sums. Okay, உங்களுக்கு வந்து homework இருக்கு. Please note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த recording எப்படியே இருக்கும். So please take the questions. So these 4 are your homework. Okay, so please try to solve it. Then on the next class you need to solve these things. You need to give me the answers. Don't use a calculators one. So without calculators you can do these things. Clear? Okay, so shall we see the non-perfect square? So can I erase it? And remember, if you see that எல்லா digits வந்து எல்லா answers எல்லா questions வந்து it is your perfect squares. அதனால நீங்க வந்து decimal point நீங்க எடுக்க முடியல. So all are within the ranges itself. Even if you want, you can do the calculations also. Calculator use பண்ணிட்டு check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So shall we see next one? Any doubts? என்ன டவுட்ஸ்மா? கொஞ்சம் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா இல்லையா? இது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா? Is it clear? At least message ஆவது பண்ணுங்க.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll delete it. So let's see your non-perfect squares. Next one is your non-perfect squares. Non-perfect squares. For this non-perfect squares, either you solve panona, there is a small formula. Take this formula. So some of you may know it. I don't know whether if you know it, it will be good, or else you can take down it. So root of x plus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by 2 root x. Okay, square root of x plus or minus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by 2 root x. Okay, remember this relation. So square root of x plus or minus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by 2 root x. Let's see some small examples. So small examples and சொல்லும்போது நம்மளுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா வந்து ரெகுலரா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற நம்பர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். So we know the square root value. Square root 2 is equal to 1.414. Okay, root 3 value is equal to 1.732. And root 4 value is equal to 2. And root 5 value, we don't know. Root 6 value, we don't know. Root 7 value, we don't know. 8 value, maybe we can do. It is 4 times 2. Root 9 value is nothing but 3. Okay, now remember, when you are taking any numbers, we are going to consider the perfect squares. Perfect squares based on the number discuss. Let's see the questions. Okay, now, so in this one, so for example, we'll see some small example. I need to find root 5 value. I need to find root 5 value. Root 5 value எனக்கு தெரியாது. I don't know. So I need to find the root 5. So don't use the calculators. Without using the calculators, we can able to do it. Okay, let's see. Root 5 value is nothing but your, and one more thing. நான் வந்து இப்போ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ற ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து எக்ஸாக்ட்டா அதே வேல்யூ வரணும்னு இல்ல. மேபி வந்து some of the changes will be there. Like decimal pointsல வந்து கண்டிப்பா changes இருக்கும். It is your approximate values. It is not exact values. Approximate values. Let's see. Root 5 is equal to. In the root 5, what I'll do, I'll try to convert into 4 plus 1. I can convert into 4 plus 1, or I can convert into root 9 minus 4. Both are same. And either comfortable I can do like this. Okay. Now let's see that root 4 plus 1. So if you just compare this one with this equation. So let's see that root 4 plus 1. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. And remember now on the number on the split panona, I have to consider the square, perfect square number matunda consider. And that is 4, 9, 16, 25. In the mali perfect squares consider panada root over it will be easy to solve it. Okay, so root 4 plus 1. Okay, now x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. When I am substituting the relation, so remember I told you x value should be a perfect square. So here I am just substituting root 4. And here if you see that inge vandu plus vanda inge plus varum, inge minus vanda inge minus varum. So plus y is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay, that x is nothing but your 4. Remember it. So that x is nothing but your 4. Let's see the relations. 1 by 2 root x. So root 2 value, root 4 is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 2 into root 4 values again 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4 is quarter. It is nothing but 0.25. So 2 plus 0.25 is equal to 2.25 is your answer. So root 5 value is 2.25. Now slow போறதுனால இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. Within 2 to 3 seconds we can able to solve it. Remember it. இது வந்து time saving தான் இந்த மாதிரி squares relations. Okay, so just try to understand this one, or else I'll do one more thing. Let's say I'll do root 6. Root 6 on the 3 times 2 panla ninge, or else what I'll do, I'll take 4 plus 2. I'll take 4 plus 2. So the first x value it should be perfect square. Let's see. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So the formula is root 4 plus and plus inge plus irundha inge plus irukum plus 2 by 2 root 4. So which is equal to root 4 is nothing but your 2 plus 2 by 2 into 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but your 0.5. So 2 plus 0.5 is nothing but your 2.5. Okay, remember இது வந்து nearby approximate values தான் இருக்கும். Like this you can able to solve it. Clear? So like this you just solve root 7, okay, root 11, root 15 and root 17 ma. So give me the answers. Suppose யாருக்காவது doubt இருந்தா please let me know. I'll explain it again. Please take it down. Try to solve root 7, root 11, root 15 and root 17. Make it fast ma. இன்னும் cubed roots இருக்கு. Cubed rootsல வந்து perfect, non-perfect இருக்கு. Again angles இருக்கு. Make it fast. Is it over?
root 7 2.7.
Let's see. நீங்க வந்து உங்க நம்பர் சொல்றேன். I'm just calculating in the calculator. Okay, so let's see that. Root 7 value எவ்வளவுமா?
2.7.
Okay, அவ்வளவுதானா? 2.7 தானா? வேற ஏதாவது இருக்கா decimal? 2.7 தான். Okay. So it was calculated one, and when I'm using the calculator, you will get approx 2.64. So root 7 value is 2.64 ma. Let's see root 11. Root 11.
3.33, sir.
Super ma, good. So 3.33 is your value, but when I do in calculator, it is 3.31. Okay, so it is approximate. It's almost close. Next, root 15. Anyone? Root 15, root 17.
Three 3.87.
3.87 root 15 value. Yes ma, correct. Exact calculator value same da 3.87. Good. Root 17.
Sir, root 17 4.12.
So 4.12. Super ma. Calculator exact value this one. Try to find this one. Root 21, root 29 and root 33. That's it. Try to find. So in the Mari only just remember it. It will be very easy for you to solve it. Okay, remember it. Ana the daily practice panna easier. So try to solve this three. Then we'll go to the cube roots. Anyone? Answer?
$4.6, sir.
Super, ma, correct. 4.6. Approximate calculator lo 4.58. Good. So next one, root 29.
Five point four.
5.4. Let's see that root 29 is 5.4. Yes, ma, super. 5.4. Calculator, it is 5.38. Yes, ma. Root 33. Last one. Please, எல்லா பேரும் கொஞ்சம் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. இது ரெண்டு பேருக்கு மூணு பேருக்கு மட்டும் கிடையாது.
Root 33, 5.7, sir.
Super, ma. So answer is 5.7. Calculator on the 5.74. That's it. So just remember these relations. These relations are easy to solve. Okay, and the formula on the கொஞ்சம் practice பண்ணுங்க. Let's see your cube roots. So we'll discuss about your cube roots, ma. So to solve these cube roots, okay, any doubts, ma, in this one?
No, sir.
Yes, ma. எல்லா பேரும் சொல்லுங்க. At least message ஆவது பண்ணுங்க, please. No doubts, right? So shall we go to the cube roots? Shall we see? Yes, ma. Good. Thank you. Okay. So let's see that. So next one, we'll see the cube root. Next one, we'll see your cube root. Okay. Cube root. So this cube root, again, there are two different terms are there. One is your perfect square, perfect cube. Remember, one is your perfect cube, and the second one is your non-perfect cube. One is your perfect cube, and second one is your non-perfect cube. Let's see your perfect cube. So as usual, whatever we have discussed in your square, perfect square, similar thing, it will be there in your perfect cube also. So to understand that, first we'll try to understand your cube values. So 2 cube is equal to 8. So 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to it is 64. And 5 cube is equal to 125. So 6 cube is equal to 216. 7 cube is equal to 343. So few values, just a few values. So these are your values. Now let's see your cut short values. So to do that, so already on the number unit terms based panni number discuss pannirkom in the square roots, similar to that. So questions unit digit, questions unit term. So if it is under 8 or 7, remember, if it is under 8 or 7, answers unit will be 2, and 7 on the it will be 3. And remember, if it is 8, we'll get 2. If the question is 2, it will be 8. Interchange item. If it is 7, it will be 3. If it is 3, it will be 7. Apart from that, so either numbers, apart from that, other numbers are all same. Like 2 on the 2 varum, 3 on the 4 on the 4 varum, 5 on the 5 varum, okay, 6 on the 6 varum. The same digit will be there. Just remember it. In the random decimals mattum the change item. So to understand that, we'll do a small sum here. Okay. Question is ரொம்ப simple. Square vida இது ரொம்ப simple. 1728. Question is 1728. Cube root of 1728. Just try to understand. Cube root of 1728. When the cube root of 1728, what I'll do? So இது வந்து நான் check பண்றேன். First unit digit நந்து வரேன். First unit digit. As usual, from the right side, I'm going to make a set, a pair. Pair and சொல்லும்போது earlier we have seen the squares, we are taking 2 sets. Now because of the cube we have to take the 3 sets. Now so 7 to 8 is one set and 1 is your other set. So the unit digit for the question is 8. So that means the answer's digit will be 2. Okay, and here if you see 1 is nothing but 1 only. So it is in this portion, so which is 1 only, which is your less than 2. Okay, which is your less than 2. When it is less than 2, it will be 1 only. So the answer is nothing but your 12. If you want, you can check it. So the answer for cube root of 1728 is nothing but 12. Rumba easy, square root beta. Let's see one more example. We'll take one more example. So 6859. One more example, 6859. So if you see now already so if there are any unit digits apart from this 8 and 7, it will be same. So if it is 9 now, it will be 9 only. So 859 is one set, and 6 if you see that it is your lesser than 2 only. Correct? So now here 6 only, it will be lesser than 2. When it is lesser than 2, the answer is nothing but your 1. So just take it. 19 cube is nothing but your 6859. This is your answer. Let's see third one. Third one, I'll take 17576. 17576. When I'm discussing about the 576, if it is in between these numbers, it will be interchanging, or else the same digit will be there. Okay, 6. And I'm going to split it into 3 numbers. So now it is 17. 17 is in between your 2 and 3. Correct? 17 is between 2 and 3. So either on the options, one option, 2 option. So 2 is your value. Correct? 3 is your lesser value. So that means the answer is 26. 26 cube is nothing but your value. Similar. Okay. So I'll give some more examples. Please try it. So in that first one, 438. Sorry, 438. Fourth question is 438. 438. 976. Let's just try this one. 438 976. Fifth question. Fifth question. It is a 274625. You have to make 3 digits as I said. And sixth one, I'll take it as 592704. Please try it, ma. Okay, so for your convenience, I'll give you cube roots also. So 8 cube is 512. Cube values, 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. And 10 cube is 1000. So now solve these values. 4, 5, and 6. Try it, ma. So if you have any doubt, please ask me.
Fourth one, 76.
Fourth one, 76. Yes, ma, good, correct.
Fifth one, 65.
Fifth one, 65. Super, ma, correct, good.
Sixth one, 84.
Sixth one, 84, nice. Square roots, cube roots, easier. Okay, so remember it. So in the Mari we can able to solve it. And remember, we haven't seen the decimal points. So without any decimal points on we call it as perfect cube. With the decimal points on we call it as non-perfect cubes. So first, at least on the 10 numbers, you have to remember these cube values. Okay. So like any doubts, ma? We'll discuss about the non-perfect cube. Next one. Any doubts? Okay. So I'm deleting this. Suppose the doubts at least you get the message. Okay. So next one, non-perfect cube roots. நான் பர்ஃபெக்ட் கியூப் ரூட்ஸ். இதெல்லாம் வந்து இப்போ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து ஆன்சர்ஸ் இருக்கிறத இங்க சொல்றதுக்கு, அதனால உங்களுக்கு வந்து சைலண்டா இருக்கீங்க. இதே டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு நான் கொடுக்குறேன் நெக்ஸ்ட் Thursdayக்கு அட்லீஸ்ட் வந்து 3 to 4 சம்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ அப்போ நான் கொடுக்குறேன். அண்ட் ரிமெம்பர், I forget to tell you. So you people are not at all giving me the answer sheets. At least எனக்கு வந்து அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 6 மெம்பர்ஸா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. கரெக்டா நான் பார்க்கணும்னா only 6 members has given me the answer sheets. Others I don't know. நீங்க வந்து அட்லீஸ்ட் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்றீங்களா இல்லையா, சும்மா வந்து ஜாலியா வரீங்களா என்னன்னு தெரியல எனக்கு. நீங்க இப்போ வந்து பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணாதான் it will be well and good for you. இல்ல எங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும் சார், நாங்க வந்து சூப்பர் சார், நாங்க வந்து டாப்பர் சார்னா இட்ஸ் ஓகே, as you wish. ஓகே, so at least try to practice it, ma. உங்களுக்காக அட்லீஸ்ட் நீங்க பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாவது கிராஸ் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I'll share you the answers. Okay. Okay, non-perfect cube roots. So the formula. So I'll give the relation formula. So it is square root of x plus or minus y is equal to, remember the formula is x plus or minus y is equal to root x plus or minus y by, that is your cube root. Remember it is cube root. Cube root x plus or minus y by 3 into cube root of x whole square. Remember this formula. So similar to your square only, but இங்க வந்து cube root வருது. Cube root of x whole square. இங்க வந்து denominator 3 வருது. Let's see a small question. So I assume it is root 10. Okay, let's see root 10. So root 10, what I'll do, I need to find cube root of 10, ma. Cube root of 10. So cube root of 10, what I'll do, I'll try to split. So எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றேன்னா, எனக்கு வந்து அது பர்ஃபெக்ட் கியூபா இருக்கணும். லைக் பர்ஃபெக்ட் கியூப்னா 2 cube is equal to 8. ஓகே, 3 cube is nothing but 27. So இந்த மாதிரி டர்ம்ஸ்ல தான் எனக்கு இருக்கணும். So let's see that. So it is cube root of 10. So இந்த 10 வந்து it is your square-க்கு nearby இருக்கு. So 2 cube-க்கு nearby இருக்கு. So I can write the relation as, so cube root of 8 plus 2. So from this relation we know that x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2. So I'm just substituting the relation here. So cube root of 8 plus, and remember inge plus irundha inge plus irukum. So plus into y is equal to 2 divided by 3 into cube root of 8 whole square. Remember it. So cube root of 8 is nothing but your 2. 2 plus 2 by 3 into 2 square, which is equal to 2 square will get cancelled. 2 plus 1. Hello, ma. Can you able to hear me? Is it clear? Please konchu network issues irukku. If you have, okay, right, ma. Thank you. Right, ma. Okay, sorry, some network issues are there. Right, so everything is gone. Okay, so now we'll try to solve it. So the relation is, it is a cube root of x plus or minus y is equal to cube root of x plus or minus y by 3 into cube root of x whole square. So other example I have taken as 10, root 10. So I can take root 10 as root 8 plus 2. So which is equal to x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2. So cube root of 8 plus 2 by 3 into cube root of 8 whole square. Okay, so it is nothing but 2 plus 2 by 3 into 2 whole square. Square will get cancelled. So 2 plus 1 by 6. So 2 plus 1 by 6. Let's see 1 by 6 value. So 1 divided by 6 value is around 0.166. 2 plus 0.166. So it is nothing but 2.166 approximate. So let's see the cube roots. This answer correct na check pandren. So cube root of 10. So cube root of 10 calculator la paakumbodhu the answer is approximate 2.15 varudhu. Okay, 2.154 something varudhu. So it is closer to your 2.166 itself. Okay, like this you can able to solve it. Let's see some more examples. இதே மாதிரி நீங்க வந்து solve பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, let's see this one more example. Okay, so try to find root 12 ma. Root 12 and root 15. Try to find root 12 and root 15.
Sir, root 2.
உங்க ஆடியோ வந்து ரொம்ப லேட்டா இருக்குமா, கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா இருக்குங்க. So cube root of 12, what is the value? 2 point. Oh god, Gayatri கொஞ்சம் டைப் பண்றீங்களா? ஆடியோ கிளியரா இல்ல உங்களுக்கு, ப்ளீஸ். $2.33. Okay, good. So 2.33 is your value. So as per calculator, we will get as 2.28. 2.28. Okay, super. Cube root of 15. Right, ma? So those who are having doubts, please ask me. Please try to clarify it. இதே மாதிரி நான் வந்து திரும்பி நான் வந்து பேச மாட்டேன், திரும்பி நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாட்டேன். இது try to complete now itself. நான் எதுக்கு சொல்றேன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் வேல்யூஸ் கண்டிப்பா நம்மளுக்கு வரும். So on the way I'm just explaining it. That's it. Okay. So please, ma'am, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Let me cover it now itself. Yeah, ma, sorry. Again, network issues. I don't know what happened today. So what is the value of root 15? Please, anyone?
2.41, sir.
Yes, ma, correct. 2.46 is your answer. 2.46. Let's just solve one last one. After that, we'll discuss our own sums and all. So square root of 44. Anyone? Cube root of 44. Try to solve this. Cube root of 44.
Sir, 3.59, sir.
Super, ma. Good. So 3.53 approx is your answer. Good, ma. Nice. So let's see. So கொஞ்சம் நான் ஃபாஸ்டா மூவ் பண்றேன்னா வந்து நம்ம டாபிக் பெண்டிங்ல இருக்கு. So next one is your sin thetas. Sin theta. Okay. So maybe sometimes உங்களுக்கு questions-ல வந்து sin 15 degrees இல்ல tan 15 degrees. It was pretty difficult to solve this terms. So யார் math student உங்களுக்கு clear-ஆ தெரியாது. Suppose pure science students வந்து கொஞ்சம் difficult-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay. So even though when you're solving these terms, so we can use some formulas. So the formulas வந்து like for example sin 45 degrees and so on. So this sin 45 degrees I can solve sin 30 plus 15 degrees. இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நம்ம solve பண்ணலாம். So there are some formulas are there, trigonometric formulas. So the formulas வந்து sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So those who knows the trigonometry well, they can clearly understand and they can clearly do the sums. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி sums. Or else if there is any issues, so we don't know how to do it and there are some problems are there, that moment we can do one thing. Okay, remember angle theta value. Okay, angle theta, ஒரு angle theta நீங்க வந்து sin மட்டும் தான் நீங்க வந்து பண்ண முடியும். sin directly நீங்க வந்து memorize பண்ணாலே போதும். cos வந்து sin க்கு reverse தான். For example, let's see small examples here. So we know that sin 0 degrees is equal to 0. Okay, sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, which is equal to cos 90 degrees. Okay, remember sine angle 0 nandu, when it is increasing like this till you are 90, cos value it will try to decrease it till cos 0. Remember this relation. That means sine 30 degrees is equal, that is sine 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees. And sine 30 degrees is equal to your cos 60 degrees. Okay, so those are both are reversely proportional here. Let's see. So to solve this type of sums done, only one thing, remember sine 1 degree. So the sine 1 degree value is nothing but your sine 1 is equal to, I'll give a value, please note it down, that value is enough. So it is a 0.017452406. Okay, so this is your value. It is the value for 1 degree, whether it is sine. Sine lo mattum really sorry ma, sorry. So இது இன்னைக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியல, என் சைடு பவர் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு, பட் இருந்தாலும் I'm just trying for mobiles only. Okay, let's see. So the number I told you is nothing but it is 0.01745240644. Okay, remember this. இது எப்படி மெமரைஸ் பண்றதுன்னா, I'll take the number as 1745.24. Okay, 1745.24 into 10 power. Okay, so 10 power in the decimal points. Remember, when this decimal points, when I'm shifting towards your right, remember when it is shifting towards your right, it will be minus. When I'm shifting towards your plus, towards your left, it will be plus. Remember it, towards your right, it will be minus. So I'm shifting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 10 power minus 5. Remember it, 1745.24 into 10 power 5 minus 5. Okay, now if you want to find sine 5 degrees, if you want to find sine 5 degrees, or if you want to find sine 15 degrees, or even sine 25 degrees, okay, just multiply with this number. If you want to find sine 5 degrees, multiply with 5. If you want to find sine 15, multiply with 15, multiply with 25. So whatever the values I'm giving you, it is related to a sine functions only. Sine vandiruchina, you can able to get cos. Like for example, sine 15 degrees is equal to, so your cos 15 degrees. So cos, the formula is sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Remember the relation. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So related to this relation, with respect to this one, you can able to solve it. Okay, I'll think on the try panikonga. So I don't want to stretch this one. So we'll come back to our main topics. Okay, so any doubt, just take this number. If you want to find any angle, just multiply with that particular number, you'll get that values. Okay, and only related to your sine. When you reverse it, you'll get the cos. And you know about tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but your sine theta by cos theta. So easily you can able to solve it. Okay, so like this you can able to do it now. Please remember it. This relation may get useful sometimes. When you fast act pandradhukku, it will be useful for you. So sine lo cos lo you should not struck it. Remember these relations, ma. So we'll see our concepts, electrostatics. So what was the last topic we are discussing about? May I know that one? Heading? Anyone?
Electric potential due to a dipole. We completed the topic, sir.
Yeah, we completed, right? Ma, super. Okay. Okay. Any doubt in this angle? Please take it on. This is romba stretch panna venna. These are all small things only. Okay. So I'm just deleting it and I'm going to our physics topics, ma. Okay. Make a heading. If you have any doubts, ma, you can ask me separately after the classes. Okay. I'll help you. Okay. And but remember, try to practice it. When you do practice, then only I can able to help you. So simply in the sir, books kudunga sir, help panunga sir and solittu neenga vittutinga enak prachana illa. I'll just forget these things and I'll go on. So there are some other classes for me. I need to concentrate those things. Okay, so class la irundhalum neenga veliye irundhalum, please try to clear those doubts, ma. Okay, right. So we'll continue from our topics, electrostatics and its potentials. Okay, and let's see, the heading is, make a heading, equipotential surfaces and their properties. Make a heading, equipotential surfaces, equipotential surfaces and their properties. Equipotential surfaces and their properties. Okay, so this is your heading. Let's see. Okay, first of all, we'll try to understand your equipotential surface definition. Equipotential surface definition. Let's see that. Okay, so make a point here. What point podum stretch panna vedam. Any surface that has same electric potential. Any surface that has same electric potential, that has the same electric potential at every point, at every point on it, at every point on it is called an equipotential surface, is called equipotential surfaces. Remember it, I'll read again. Any surface that has the same electric potential at every point, equipotential at every point on it is called it as equipotential surfaces. Equipotential surfaces. So first try to understand potential. Potential is nothing but your voltage. Okay, so நான் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட், ஏதாவது ஒரு சர்ஃபேஸ், ஸோ ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபிளாட் சர்ஃபேஸ் இல்ல ஸ்பெரிக்கல் சர்ஃபேஸ், எந்த சர்ஃபேஸ் எடுத்தாலும் ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து எண்டிங் வரைக்கும் அதோட பொட்டன்ஷியல் சேமா இருக்கணும். எந்த பாயிண்ட்ல எடுத்தாலும், எந்த கான்டாக்ட்ல, எந்த சர்ஃபேஸ்ல எடுத்தாலும் the potential is always same. So when the potential is always same, we call it as equipotential surfaces. We call it as equipotential surfaces. Remember this point. There are few properties are there. First try to take the property headings itself, then after that I'll explain it. Properties of equipotential surfaces. First point, no work is done in moving a test charge. No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. I'll repeat again. No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. This is your first property. First take the properties, then after that I'll explain it. Second property. Electric field is always normal to the. Electric field is always normal. Remember, is always normal to the equipotential surface at every point. Okay, this is your second one. Let's see the third one. Equipotential surfaces are closer together. Equipotential surfaces are closer together in the regions of strong field and further apart in the regions of weak field, and further apart in the regions of weak field. I'll repeat the sentence again. Equipotential surfaces are closer. Okay, equipotential surfaces are closer together in the regions of strong field and further apart in the regions of weak field. Okay, so let's see the fourth point. There are four potentials properties are there. Fourth point. No two equipotential surfaces can intersect. No two equipotential surfaces can intersect. Okay, so these are the four properties. Please take it. If it's over, then we'll discuss. Overma, please let me know. Others? Yeah, ma, okay, fine. So let's see the first point. First point in Pakla. Yeah, ma, okay, okay, fine. So first point in Pakla. So first point I told you is nothing but no work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surfaces. Let's see, we'll take a equipotential surface. Examples based one we'll try to understand it. Okay, so I'll take equipotential surface. So this equipotential surface, assume, well, plain sheet madri in the madri. Okay, so this is your equipotential surface. So in the surface law, so what is the definition? Any surface that has same electric potential. Okay, so in the surface law, they'll be having some potential. In the point, in the corner, the potential is always constant. That is your definition. Okay, so I'll take the potential. These are nothing but equal potentials in the point at the potentials will be same here. It won't change at all. Now, let's see. There are some potentials are there. This surface is nothing but your equipotential surface. Let's see what I'll do in this equipotential surface. So no work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. Let's see. What I'll do, I'll take a test charge. Or a charge. I need to move this test charge from A point to B point. Let's see. So I need to move this test charge from A point to B point. When it is moving from the A point to B point, remember moving from A point to B point, there is a potential difference between these two. Other than work done. So there is a work done between these 2 points. That work done is nothing but your WAB, which is equal to your potential difference. You know that is nothing but your VB minus VA, and the test charge on the I'll take it as Q naught. Okay, so we know that is nothing but potential difference. It is equal to VB minus VA is equal to work done by charge other than test charge. The same relation we have discussed in this chapter starting law. Okay, so from this relation, so there is a charge, test charge, which was going to affect, okay, which is going to move from A point to B point. That means we are doing some work here. Now let's see. So here the potential is always constant. Equipotential surface law, potential always constant. That means we know that VA is equal to VB. Potential on the VA VB rendu same equipotential surfaces. When VA is equal to VB, what will happen? On the potential difference on the 0. When potential difference is equal to 0, in our work function is also 0. Correct? So this is the first point. No work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surfaces. We cannot able to move any test charges within the equipotential surfaces. So that means there is no work done. The work done will be 0. This is your first case. Okay, remember this. It is your first one. Let's see the second one. Second one on the electric field is always normal to the equipotential surfaces. Let's see. Electric fields and normal and perpendicular. Now the flat surface on the I'm placing on the table. That means they'll be having some electric field lines are traveling. So these are nothing but electric field lines which are perpendicular here. Normal. So the electric field it will be always perpendicular to the surfaces. Always remember. So these are nothing but electric field lines. Electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface. This is your second point. First point on the work done 0. Second point on the potential on the normal. That is your perpendicular point. Second one. Third case. So electric potentials are closer together in the regions of electric field and further together in the regions of weak field. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take an irregular shaped conductor. Irregular shaped conductor. So for your easy convenience, I'll take like this, a rhombus shape. Okay, so irregular shape. So here on the surface, what will happen? The charges will be stored. So charges on the surface, the charges will be like this. Okay, so charges will be like this. Okay, so if you see that enge corners ange charges on the closer. You can see that. So enge charges and the enge corners ange charges on the closer. So just try to understand that. So now the field lines drop. When I'm drawing the field lines, So here at the corners only the electric field will be greater because the charges are greater here. Okay, so electric field is greater, and away from it the electric fields are lesser. So those are spread out areas, you can see that. Okay, corners on the field lines greater, so outside the electric field lines will be lesser. So you can imagine that enge corners irukko, the field lines are greater. Enge electric field lines greater irukko, that means your stronger field. That is your stronger. So electric field is here. The electric fields are closer together in the regions of stronger field. So electric field lines inge closer ah irukku. So on the closer irukadnala we can say it is your stronger field. And further apart in the regions of weaker field. So when it is further apart, when it is spread out areas, spread out ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும். So இல்லனா வந்து bulge out areasல வந்து spread ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும். Corners lo da, sharp edges lo da, there will be having some charges. Okay, stronger. So if you see that it was like a spread out areas. So in this portion, okay, so these are nothing but your weaker fields. These are nothing but your weaker fields. So these are nothing but your stronger, these are nothing but your weaker fields. Clear? So this is the one. Now fourth one we'll see. No equipotential surfaces can intersect. And one more thing. So inga vandu electric field vandu நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போது we have to consider the potentials also. Potentials electric field ரெண்டும் வந்து two different terms. Maybe நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன் என்னன்னு தெரியல. There is a small derivations are there. So if not, we'll discuss this derivation in next class. Okay, the relation between these two is we know that electric field E is equal to V by D. Correct da? dr r. Okay, V by R. I'll take V by R because of the distance. Radius circle, distance circle. Electric field E is equal to V by R. Now, so there is a term called potential gradient. There is a term called potential gradient. So E is equal to minus dV by dr. This is your relation. E is equal to minus dV by dr. So there is a small relation is there. So on the relation we'll discuss. Okay, அதோட டெரிவேஷன் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். சோ இங்க எதுக்கு மைனஸ் வருதுன்னா எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்ட் லைன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட்க்கு டிராவல் ஆயிருக்கு. லைக் அஸ்யூம் இட் இஸ் டிராவலிங் ஃப்ரம் லெஃப்ட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் யுவர் ரைட், பட் your potential is traveling from your right towards your left. Both are in opposite direction. When both are in opposite, we are considering this as negative point. Okay, so in the relations we'll discuss in next class. Let's see the fourth point. No two equipotential surfaces can intersect. Suppose if these two equipotential surfaces are intersecting with each other, one on the other. So இந்த மாதிரி வந்து one on the other இந்த equipotential surface வந்து intersect ஆயிருக்கு. இங்க பார்க்கும்போது intersect ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கு. So when these are intersecting with each other, so there will be two values of electric potential. நல்லா பாத்துக்கோங்க, intersect ஆயிடுச்சுனா for example இதுல வந்து ரெண்டு electric potentials form ஆகும் in the intersection points. There are two different potentials will be there. Okay, at that point of intersection, but in the two different points of intersections are not possible. So these are imaginary only, so it will not intersect with each other. Okay, so potential on the two different electric field lines form ஆயிட்டிருக்கும். So two different electric field lines வந்து form ஆகிறது it is not at all possible, so it will not intersect with each other. Remember this case. These are the four different points for your equipotential surface. So now clear? Any doubts? No, ரெண்டு content இருக்குமா potential. I thought to start your capacitance, but it will take time. And okay, and I should tell you one more thing because ella பேர் இருக்கிறதுனால I'm just telling you. And I made a decision that every Thursdays you are not writing your test. Apart from those six people, those who are submitting me the documents, I'm just leaving them, and others you people are having daily test. Okay, உங்களுக்கு daily test வேணுமா இல்ல வந்து weekly once test வேணுமா, you just decide it and let me know. So on the daily test 15 questions இருக்கும், objective தான், within 20 minutes you have to cover it. Or else இன்னொரு option இருக்கு, every Monday anyway after completing our class every Monday, so once 7 o'clock வந்து if you are completing our class now 7 to 7:20 till 7:20 you will be having your test, online test தான். Okay, immediately எனக்கு result வந்துரும். So no need to submit also. Login பண்ணுங்க, write the test, that's it. So anyway we can do like this also. Okay, நீங்களே டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு you just let me know. So next week குள்ள எனக்கு clearance வரும். ஏன்னா next week illa Thursday kulla please let me know, or else we'll have daily test. Okay, so na strita illana it was bit different way. Okay, so we'll see next one. Make a heading. Make a heading. Next one. Equipotential surfaces of various charge points. Equipotential surfaces of, make a heading, equipotential surfaces of various charge points. Of various charge points. Okay, remember this relation, various charge points. Let's see that. So இங்க various charge points னு சொல்லும்போது அதோட properties related தான். So charge point base பண்ணி எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So one by one நான் வந்து points கொடுத்துறேன். After that I'll explain it. So remember it. First point, equipotential surfaces of positive point charge. Equipotential surfaces of positive point charge. Second one, equipotential surfaces of two equal and opposite point charges. Equipotential surfaces of two equal and opposite point charges. Opposite point charges. Third one, equipotential surfaces of two equal positive charges. Equipotential surfaces of two equal positive charges. Okay, and fourth one, equipotential surfaces of uniform electric field. Equipotential surfaces of uniform electric field. Just take these points, then I'll explain it. Take it, ma. Or okay, so let's see this one. First point, equipotential surface of positive point charge, one point charge. So when we are discussing about the one particular point charge, electric potential at one particular point and சொல்லும்போது B is equal to KQ by R. We already seen this relation. V is equal to KQ by R, where K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay, let's see the potential lines எப்படி இருக்கும். So here I'm taking a positive charge, one single point charge. They'll be having some field around. See, around it, and the spherical format they'll be having some equipotential surfaces. Remember, so similar distances it will not intersect with each other. So these are nothing but equipotential surfaces for a single point charge. So these are equipotential surfaces. Let's see that. So these are the dotted lines we call it as equipotential surfaces. It won't intersect with each other. Equipotential surfaces. And from the point charge and so the field lines will be traveling in all the directions. So these are nothing but your electric field lines, or we can say the lines of forces. The lines of forces. We can say the lines of forces. This is your first point. Equipotential surface of your positive point charge. Positive point charge. Let's say two equal and opposite charges. Second point. So same thing, I'm taking a positive charge, they'll be having some equipotential surfaces around it. And when you're placing a negative charge, what will happen? It will try to attract the field lines will try to travel from positive towards the negative. These are equipotential surfaces. The field lines will try to travel from positive towards the negative. It was traveling in all the directions like this. Okay, so these are nothing but electric field lines where it was traveling from positive towards the negative. Okay. So the lines are having some directions. Directions important. Okay, so these are nothing but your equipotential surfaces, positive towards a negative. Okay, so this is your second line. Okay, and the dotted idukulla dotteds vandu those are nothing but your equipotential surfaces. So similar thing, third one is your positive charges. Both are positive irukkumbodhu what will happen, the field lines will try to repel with each other. So both are positive, one is your positive and one is your positive, there will be having some equipotential surfaces around it. So because of the equipotential surfaces, what will happen, it will try to repel. Okay, so the field directions will be away from it, it won't attract, and the field directions will be away from it like this. Okay, it will be traveling in this direction. Okay, so these are nothing but your third point. This is your third point. Let's see fourth point. Fourth point, uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. So potentials on the ellame on the it will be in a parallel way. Let's see the fourth point. Fourth point, what I'll do, I'll take a plate. So equipotential surfaces on Sonomodu, I'll take a plates surfaces. So this is your first one. Which adjust panikoma koncham difficult da enakku. So second one, and this is your third one. Okay, so these are nothing but your equipotential surfaces. Your equipotential surfaces. So in this equipotential surfaces, charges ella on the same irukum. What will happen? So for this, they'll be having some field lines traveling in all the directions. Parallel without any disturbances, it will try to travel. It will not intersect with each other. So these are nothing but your electric field lines passing through these equipotential surfaces. All three are your equipotential surfaces, and these lines are nothing but your electric field. Okay, all electric field lines are normal to the surface itself. So you can say that all electric field lines are normal to the surfaces. These are the four different points in your electric potential surface and various charges. Okay, so please take it, ma. Over. Okay, so enough of today's class. So next class on the we are going to discuss about the electric potential energy. Remember, electric potential energy or concept irukku, and as usual now the relation and solirukku, E is equal to minus dV by dr. Just for 5 minutes topic example. Once we complete it, then we'll start your capacitance. So I'll try to make sure that next class on the we'll try to capacitance. We'll complete your capacitance, and after that one more class we'll do some problems. Step by step we'll go. Okay. So any doubts, ma? Today's class? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Thank you, and please make sure you are completing your test on time. Okay. Illana vandu na daily test panna vendiyadha irukum. You please avoid that, and ella per at least vandu enakku vandu last time vandu 5 members, first time vandu at least 3-4 members da. In the vaati 6 members. So at least next time vandu at least try to submit at least 10 to 12 numbers. Ella per submit panna konjam nalla irukum. Please do square root of 15. Square root of 15. Okay, Kiroshini. Right. Okay, ma. Okay, so those who are having doubts, they can stay, and others you can leave, ma. Thank you. Thank you.